recording.
Okay, this is Emma having carrots for the first time. Oh gosh, what is it? Ah. Do you like it? Oh my gosh, I think she might like it. Emma, open up. No, no, no. You see me? I'm like, ah.
I'm sure I'm doing the same thing back here.
Yeah.
They good?
You like it? You didn't make as crazy of a face as the first time.
Boy. Good stuff.
Stop looking at my feet, Chewy. This might be a little bit messier. Whoa! Orange stuff. She likes it.
I just got a great one.
Of
Both
me?
of you. No, both of you.
Oh, what was I doing?
You're.
I do it like involuntarily.
I'm except the grace. Don't try not to do it.
Oh my goodness. You missed your mouth, huh?
Okay. There's 2.5 minutes. We'll let you.